video, I am just gonna walk you through a quick order from my personal clothing brand. I'm gonna leave a link down below if you're interested in purchasing a shirt from my clothing brand. If you want to support it, by all means, you can go ahead. I'll leave the link down below. You don't have to. I'm not forcing anybody. And also, I just want to I got a new little heat press, and I thought it's pretty cool. I mean, it's a Cricut. It's a little small one. This little tiny handheld one. But yeah, it's really cool, and I'm gonna show you in the video how I actually use this little heat press. It's actually pretty handy, and I'll be making another video how I utilize using this. Anyway, let's get right into this, and let's jump into heat pressing a shirt. But please, my hair's a mess. I know I should probably go comb it, but I'm too lazy. You know, it's getting cold here in Southern California. So anyway, let's jump right into this. All right, everyone, we're back. So I'm just gonna do one order. It is a 2-shirt order, but I'm only gonna do black one real quick. Sorry, I got this whole mess, and I kind of just want to do a quick run through and show everyone what I do when I do get an order. I'm just gonna go ahead and pre-press this for a few seconds, and I'm using DTF transfers, so I have my press. This is at 310. I know it reads 292, but 310 is that's the setting. So, and then just gonna give it a quick lint roll. And we're doing a pretty cool design. We're gonna hit it in the front with a left chest. And let me get it real quick. For those of you that are curious, my name, it is Alarion. But yeah, so I'm gonna just fold it in half, try to find a center point. And I'm just doing this slow. I'm not in a rush or anything. I'm gonna go about 4 fingers down. And we're gonna take it from the collar, center it up right here. So when I kind of like do this, just kind of bring it down. I have my middle finger connecting where it would be. And then I have 4 fingers down, and then the center point, which is right here. I don't know if you guys can see that center point. It's right there. And then here's the top of the design. So that's all. Kind of just lay it there. I like to use my my tape just to hold it down, because I'm a perfectionist and I like to look at this real quick before I press it. But I don't like this. I'm gonna move it over just a tad because it's too centered to the shirt. And to me, that looks fine. Just gonna take a quick look. That looks centered to me. All right, we're good to go. And then I'm just gonna press it. I usually do like medium to high pressure. It's more on the higher than the medium. Oh, and if you're curious what blank I'm using T-style. So I press it for about 12 seconds, and then just move this aside. And then I just flip it because it's going to be a front and back hit. So for those of you that are just curious as to how do I line up a back print, well, I don't know if you can see right here, there's a collar. Like, here's the front collar, the back of it, and you could see it from the bottom over here. And you want to go about 4 to 5 inches down. So wherever the bottom of that collar is, just move it down to the heat press. And then about an inch below is where you want to be. Just about. So when you line this design up, which I'm just going to line up with the words. That's my center point, because where the letters are. Should be about where the tongue is. And then I just go about an inch down. Kind of eyeball it, center it a little bit. But if you want to be a perfectionist like me, you kind of just measure the end of this. See how even it could be. To me, that looks about right there. And these are cold peels, so I'm gonna let it sit, cool down. Yeah, and then we'll be back with the video.